On the 14th of August 2024, a delegation from the Hill State People's Democratic Party (Hspdp), including Cabinet Minister Shakliar Warjri, Party President KP Pangniang, General Secretary of the Hspdp Panbor Ryntathiang and others, met with Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma to submit a memorandum requesting an amendment to the Meghalaya State Language Act 2005. The Hspdp is advocating for the term associate to be replaced with official in reference to the Khasi and Garo languages in the state.
Amendment associate official language ki Khasi. Ek daw mi wala ni. Ka daw walong ba adi mi le small ki jingnam. Junki candidate ki ba apply kam tang national government. Haguju ko polo jigo jingnam juki nok suksto jungi tam ki rural areas. Ya ka babun ni gram dak sevak pi om kanong samdak. Babun na pren juki ko mi siam ta galong kim don kim de ki Khasi. Na ta daw ko ra iring e abedi ba ka team catholic communication. Namar ta daw ko jing sokhya ro galong pi kinyo ka kam gajang. Amar kani ko jing kani ka associate official language ka wan ra ko jing e ki khna samla jingi banyo kam personal office namar ba kam pa de official language. No namar ta daw ni wan ra ya gani ka ni ai ngi ai gani ka si ma ta si ha ka bedi ba gajing ka pa yu si am ban amen no gani ka associate official language to ban pengkalano official language pi ngi ya gani re ni lawani kandu ni u senior postmaster ban tip ya ka jingsha balik ni kolong kumni ba Khasi ni khana samajing kimi okam ka ek pangyo gajing tip kolong ba namar ba kam dei ka official language hakababun kini ka recruitment kiyo di kiwei pat ki bamdei Khasi ngala banong kata namar ba ki namar dei ka direct recruitment ki pet ani ki mark sheet ba ka marks ya ba ki pet ni ka scoring ya kiwei ki pet ni subject ka belong ka official language kat nam ta jungi pa de kipit na ka way subject ka belong ka English subject kam na Khasi language namar nakata ka daw ka pelong ki bun ki khna jing kimyo ay kam nor ki duna ban score ka mark sa ka English language de namar ta ka daw niwal ban karpa UCM ban amen no ekani ka official language ho ni yu i karkum ka notification mo ko government kala hanika Meghalaya State Language Act 2005 but huju ko por Meghalaya Language Act 2008 kam simula don kono kajing perkelang ni tamu mala ni kasa kaju ya bedi ka language mo ti watla kanika office jo kanika government of India Ministry of Communication Department of Posts GDS section mo kala pen mi yaki office memorandum how arjar arhuai kumjuru ka office memorandum arjar hulai kumjuru kani manam isyan ngam ko pi hani kede ka kaju ka arajar absa den re kani office memorandum mapang study yaki kam dan jing affair em kadi kaju kam dan jing affair te de mar ta ka daw bangi sawan su si among ban penkelan ka ta khna ba haba ki recruit kemudian pen ora Khasi language te henrei usem la pani gidong gijing ani hatai lada ngi penkelan official language ka Khasi Nasi kalau abang ka kurum karang maka dia ka administrative convenience.
The ICFA University Meghalaya Admission Open 2024. The university offers program courses in the schools of management, humanities, social sciences and science and technologies for both undergraduate and postgraduate programs. UG and PG programs, full-time campus programs offered under the undergraduate programs are BBA, BCA, BCom, BTTM, BA, Economics, Political Science, English and Education. For PG programs are MBA, MCom, MTTM, MCA, MA, Political Science, English and Education, MA Khasi, MSW and MA Music. For further information and details, visit or contact the ICFA University Meghalaya Shillong Campus, Powerville near Shillong Law College, Dhangati, Meghalaya. Phone number 0364 222 0057. 94851 58603, 700-505 7728, 8794 250646.